just a short video to explain about the new email system that we have in the school. So basically, when you got your tablet, you would have opened up the box and there was a sheet in there with all your password and information and all that kind of thing, and there was an email with it. It probably would have been your first dot last name at St. Francis College-Rochestown.ie or something like that. We've changed all those email addresses. So all your tablets have come with an email address. The account that you sign into with your tablet is that email address. So we've changed all of those this week to make them a lot simpler and shorter than what you previously had. It doesn't mean you'll lose any of the material. It's still the same account, it just says it will have a different name. So these new email addresses will be in use a lot next year because we have things like a new Junior Cert coordinator. They're going to need to pass information and material on to us for all new Junior Cert subjects. So it makes things easier for those people, even for at management level, if they have a work internal email that we can use, rather than having some people on Gmail and Yahoo and Hotmail and all this kind of stuff. That basically we have one platform where everybody's email is on it. So I'm just going to show you how it works. So basically, for the school emails, we've changed them all over this week. So that big long one that you previously had is gone, and they've all been replaced with simply your first initial and your last name at stfranciscollege.ie. So all of you now have this email address available to you. And as I said, use of this is highly encouraged because it makes things easier for people who are passing on information. It just keeps it all together in the one workspace and workplace as well, rather than using Yahoo and Gmail and all this kind of stuff. So you can see it's nice and simple. Everyone is at stfranciscollege.ie. So what the purpose of this video is, I'm just going to show you how to put it on your tablet. It's very, very easy. If you just click the search button down the bottom and click mail, this is only one of the ways of which you can do it. You'll see it just there. So if you click mail, and your mail will open. I already have a number of school accounts that I use, but this is the one at the end that you will hopefully have on yours. I've already started my one. You can see pcroke at stfranciscollege.ie. So how do you enter yours onto your tablet? Settings button down here. So press that. Menu will pop up and you'll just click manage accounts, and then you'll be going to the last option, which is to add an account. So from here you'll just type in you need to pick what type of account you want. You're an Office 365 Exchange account, so I'm gonna type in my details just here, .ie, and click next, and it's going to ask me for a password probably. The account already exists, that's fine. It'll ask you for a password and you just choose the current password that you have on your account, and as soon as you do that, you're up and running. You will notice your account will pop up here, and it's as simple as that. So any problems, just let me know, but this is a function that we will be using a lot next year, so use of it is highly encouraged. Okay, thank you.